Hi there! Welcome to the Ingredient Channel, where I post recipes and share cooking experience every week. In this episode, we're making Taiwan Honey Castella Cake. Here's the list of ingredients. The recipe can also be found in the description field under the video. Please remember to subscribe. The soft and jiggly Taiwan Castella Cake is trendy on the internet. After failed numerous times, finally I believe I hacked it. I'm excited to share the tricks with you in this video. If you have struggled like I did, as long as you follow the recipe and steps, I promise you will not be disappointed this time. So we're gonna heat the cooking oil in the microwave for 40 seconds. And then in the container, we sift the cake flour. You have to use cake flour. I have to say, you have to use the cake flour. Any other flour is not gonna work. Use the Swans down cake flour is what I did. And then we're gonna pour the heated oil in to mix it well, and make sure you do the oil first. The sequence is super important. Then we're gonna add the milk. Mix again. Of course, I'm using my favorite chopsticks. The egg whisk works too. And then we're gonna add the egg yolk. I've already separated the egg yolk from egg white. I skipped the steps in the video because I don't want to bore you. There are many other videos show the tricks how to separate the egg yolks from the egg white. Just make sure they're completely separate and not mixed together. And this is the consistency that you want. This is the time we're gonna add the vanilla and the honey. Mix well again, so the egg yolk batter is ready. For the egg white, we're gonna squeeze in some lime juice. If you don't have lime, apple cider vinegar will work too. We're gonna whisk it until it's bubbling, and we're gonna add the sugar multiple times in. First, we're whisking on low speed. Then we're gonna raise it to high speed. For this cake, we need soft peak meringue. Increase the speed to high and whisk for about 8 to 9 minutes until the meringue can easily form a shape. Let's test it. It's not quite ready. As you see, it's not forming the shape. Now it does. And then we're going to add half of the egg white into the egg yolk batter. Use a spatula to scoop the batter from the bottom to the top to ensure the mixture is even. Do not run in a circle. Then we're going to pour all of the mixture back to the egg white, the rest of the egg white, and use the spatula to scoop the batter from the bottom to the top again, and to make sure the mixture is even. Be patient, this takes time, and be gentle as well. And this is the consistency that you will need. There is no white or yellow stripe. That means they mix very well. And it's shiny. And then line the side and the bottom of your baking pan with parchment paper. I'm using the silicone baking sheet for the bottom, which works perfectly as well. Pour the batter in. I'm using a 9 by 13 inches pan. In another larger pan, pour the boiled water because the cake is gonna be half baked and half steamed. And then put the other baking pan with the batter inside of the other pan with heated water, and put the pans into the oven under 305 Fahrenheit, bake for 60 minutes. And then it's ready. It's not that hard. The surface of my cake is still wrinkled because I said at the beginning I am a very pretty much a beginner, but guess what, the taste of the cake is so good. Soft, fluffy, jiggly, and so tasty and sweet. So I cut the cake into large pieces and to show you the inside. It is so smooth and consistent. I am very proud of myself. I hope you do too once you follow the steps and make your own version. And look at it. I certainly enjoyed it very much, and I hope you do too. So good to have you again. Please do check out the other videos in my channel. Subscribe and support. Thank you.